Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to play Bleach Soul Resonance on PC. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Although the game is officially available on Android, it's absolutely possible to play it on your PC or even on a Mac by using an Android emulator called BlueStacks. BlueStacks is an Android app player, which basically means it allows you to run and play Android games directly on your PC or Mac. To get started, open your web browser and search for Bleach Soul Resonance BlueStacks. Then click on the first link, and you'll be taken to this page. From here, simply click on the blue Play on PC button. Once you do that, BlueStacks will start downloading on your computer. After the download is complete, click on the file and follow the on-screen steps to install BlueStacks on your PC. When the installation is finished, you'll see a blue launch button. Click on it to open BlueStacks. BlueStacks will automatically take you to the download page for Bleach Soul Resonance. At this point, you'll see an Install from Google Play button. Click on it, sign into your Google account if required, and it will take you to the Google Play Store. Now here, as you can see, the game is unfortunately not available in my region. However, if it is available in your region, you'll see a blue Install button. Simply click on it to start the download. The game size is around 1.3 gigabytes, and once it's installed, you'll be able to play it just like you would on an Android device. BlueStacks also provides keyboard controls and a sharp display, giving you a more PC-like gaming experience. You can scroll down to view the screenshots to see how the game will look, and that's it. So that's basically how you can play Bleach Soul Resonance on PC. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.